Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add decorative fonts to your Instagram stories. It is actually pretty simple to do. You are just going to slide this to the left to obviously create a new story. I'm just going to randomly take a picture of, it's my table, but I obviously put my phone on it, that's why it's like a black screen. But select the text here on top next to stickers, and you'll be able to see the fonts there. If there's like an event or like a celebration, it might be there. Last year I think we saw Halloween as well as Christmas fonts. I'm not sure about Christmas, I think it was another thing, but we had a Halloween themed font. We also had a Valentine's Day themed font. Now it's not going to somehow be updated for every account there is, for some strange reasons. Like, I only get the font updates on my second accounts rather than my first one. Like, I get it on, like, for example, like my voiceover account rather than like my main Instagram posting account. So I'm just going to type anything, and here obviously to change the font you're just going to kind of scroll to either the left or the right side of your screen. You can also change the colors here of your text, and you can also turn this off and on if you want a background or not. And here, if you press on the, whoops, where is it? If you press on the colors, you can kind of adjust the colors here. You can add in animations to it as well. You can add in some sparkles, neon, shimmer, pixel, and you can also adjust that. I think there was a way to make it colorful, but I feel like it's gonna be hard to do. I think you have to drag. Okay, it's very hard to do, but that's just how you do it. But again, I will tell you right now that fonts will be added and also removed in these holidays, events, and stuff like that. Same with Instagram notes, it is the same thing. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to, I forgot to say something. You can also, if you type, I think it still works, if you type papyrus, it changes. I don't know if that why it doesn't work anymore, but it used to work, maybe on a different font. I think it used to work on the specific font. If you typed in papyrus, it changes it into the font. I'm not sure why it doesn't work anymore, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Oh, there we go, on the meme one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.